Thank you so much, Dr. Schachter and all our panelists. And we're now going to move on as quickly as we can because time is passing to our pilot awards. So the first, you were going to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think part of the way we want to stimulate communication and collaboration in the sub is by seeding pilot grants. And we're going to just mention two brief ones. One is the Osher Pilot Studies Program, and I'll say a few words about that. And we're also going to announce the winners of the last cycle, and then Helen will speak to another initiative that's seeding these sorts of interdisciplinary cross-institutional collaborations. So the Osher Pilot Studies Program is intended to seed collaborative projects that are consistent with the Osher mission and the thematic areas, and those are around musculoskeletal health, healthy aging, and mind-body exercise. They include research that spans the whole spectrum from basic to clinical and cost-effectiveness research. The applications undergo formal peer review, and in our last set of submissions, we had about 14 reviewers and at least 3 to 5 reviews for each application. And then the grants range between 25 and 50,000, with up to 4 funded in the upcoming fiscal year 2015. And those, the RFA, the request for applications, will be announced sometime in February of this year. Okay. So we have 3 awardees that we'd like to announce today and celebrate. And maybe after we mention the name, they can just stand up and we can congratulate them. So the first is Anne-Marie Zavaki, and she's from Brigham and Women's Hospital, and her project was on musculoskeletal-related theme, very basic research on novel roles for endocrine effects on muscle stem cells. So. Our second awardee is Selma Holden, who's a fellow in the T32 Fellowship at Beth Israel, and she has an exciting project on prenatal yoga for pregnancy-related back pain studies, and that involves both clinical outcomes as well as balance and biomechanics. And our third project that was funded went to Doctors Balshi and Lin from Brigham and Women's Hospital, and they're using mass spec techniques to look at the impacts of mind-body exercises on both muscle and brain activity simultaneously.
Our next program is our Pre-Doctoral Fellowship program, which is a new program that we've just started this year. And these are awards aimed at encouraging PhD students in the basic sciences, such as like cell and molecular biology, to extend their project in a translational direction, either into an animal model or into humans, if appropriate, as well as have relevance to an integrated view of body systems. So this year, we are very pleased to award 2 pre-doctoral fellowships for projects that are both translational and bridge across systems. The first goes to Ilya Druidinin, who is a PhD candidate in the biological and biomedical sciences, and his project is on cross-system physiological integration through high-throughput identification and analysis of Drosophila, mouse and human inter-organ communication secreted factors. The second award goes to Joy Zhao, who is a PhD candidate in systems biology. Her project is on the effect of human antimicrobial peptide combinations across physiological systems on the evolution of pathogen resistance to the innate immune system with relevance to lifestyle and wellness. Where's Joy? I don't see her. Is she in the back? Oh, she's in the balcony. Congratulations.